Hello children, welcome back to my channel Learn with Harpreet. I know you will like this video very much and please you will learn something, so please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Today this video is for class 4 children. I have taken the science lesson food we eat. Okay children, why do we eat food? We eat food, but why do we eat food? What is the need of eating food? हम खाना क्यों खाते हैं? We eat food to grow. बड़े होने के लिए, to keep our body healthy. Okay, so the first thing is to grow and stay alive. बड़े होने के लिए और for my life, for जिंदगी के लिए. To get energy to work and play, because we get energy from food with what we can work and play. And also we eat food because it keeps us strong and protects us from diseases. Food हमें बीमारियों से भी बचाता है. Yes, that is why we need food. इसीलिए हम खाना खाते हैं. Now the second point comes, what are the components of food? Food में होता क्या है? जो आप खाना खाते हैं, the food which you eat, it consists of nutrients, roughage and water. Okay? Now, what are nutrients? What are nutrients? Now we come to this point. Nutrients are the materials which are present in the food that help us to grow for our growth and to stay healthy. Those materials are called nutrients. Okay? And now tell me, nutrients are of 5 types. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They are divided into 5. Nutrients are, we have 5 nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the nutrients which are present in the food you eat. Do you know this? And do you know one thing more, that nutrients, apart from this, our food also contains roughage and water. I'll tell you about roughage and water also, but let's start with the nutrients first. Okay, but before I start with the nutrients, I want to ask you a question. Do you eat same food in the morning as a breakfast, in the lunch as a lunch, in the afternoon as a lunch, or at night as a dinner? Do you eat the same thing? No, we don't eat the same thing. Our mother or somebody at home, grandmother, we cook different type of dishes now, so we eat different types of food the whole day also, the next day also. We don't repeat the same food daily or every time. We don't repeat it. You know why? Because our body needs every type of nutrient which we can get from different types of food. If we stuck to one type of food, our body will take just one type of nutrient. That won't be enough. That won't be enough for our body to grow healthy. So now that is the answer to your question, that we have to eat different types of food made by our mother. Okay? We cannot stuck to one food. So now come to the nutrients. The nutrients are the materials which are present in our food, which are very much important for our growth, I told you, and stay alive. Okay, now carbohydrates and fats, they are energy giving foods. On the basis of the function of the nutrients, we have divided the nutrients into 3 types. Okay, the first type is energy giving foods. Second type is bodybuilding foods. Third is protective foods. Energy giving foods are carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates are energy giving foods. So the people who do lot of physical work and manual labor, they need to consume carbohydrate rich diet, which you can easily get in rice, wheat, maize, potato. Okay, now they give them energy. Okay, now the second thing is fats. Fats give you more energy than carbohydrates, but fats are not digested easily, whereas carbohydrates, when you consume, they also give us energy. They give us lot of energy, but they are digested easily. Fats cannot be digested easily, so the examples of fats are oil, nuts, butter, ghee. Overuse of fat. If fat-rich food, if you will consume over-rich oil or nuts or butter, ghee, that leads to obesity. Do you know what is obesity? Excessive use of motapa. Obesity is motapa. The person gains so much of weight if he consumes daily fat-rich food, and it is not easily digested also. Okay, but it gives more energy than carbohydrates. Now we come to proteins. As they are categorized as bodybuilding foods, therefore this type of food is basically needed for the bodybuilders, those who build their bodies, and for the little children, toddlers, those who are in a growing stage, because they are growing. So they are bodybuilding foods, so they need protein rich diet like eggs, fish, meat, milk, curd, pulses. What is curd? Dahi. What is pulses? Dal, which your mama makes. Okay? And what is milk? Oh, sorry, I forgot the milk. Milk. I'll tell you about milk separately. Okay? Vitamins and minerals are the protective foods. Why they're called protective foods? Because when we consume vitamins and minerals food, then it protects us from various types of diseases. That is why they are known as protective foods. Examples: fruits, vegetables, milk. Fruits and vegetables, if you consume, they will protect your body. They will increase your immunity power to fight against the diseases. So we have to consume lots and lots of fruits and lots of green leafy vegetables also. So these are the protective foods, vitamins and minerals. Now while talking about vitamins, vitamins I've taken vitamin A, B, C, D. Vitamins are of various types. Like if we consume vitamin A, we can get vitamin A in papaya, carrot and green leafy vegetables. We can get vitamin D from milk, butter. Okay? And coming about minerals, now from minerals we can consume calcium. We get calcium, iron, sodium and potassium are the minerals, and these mineral rich foods, calcium will increase your bones and teeth strong. They will make your bones and teeth strong, and iron will, when you consume iron rich food, that will increase the formation of blood in our body. Okay, now I told you, and now the thing is left is roughage and water. Water is also an essential part of our body, because 3/4 of our body is made up of water. In a day, we have to drink 8 glasses of water, as it helps in the digestion of food properly. Okay, now I told you roughage. Roughage is also present in our body. It helps in the proper functioning of digestive system. Roughage cannot be digested, but it helps to remove the undigested food from our body. Okay, example of roughage is like brown rice, salads, whole grains, fruits and vegetables. Okay, so the last thing in the last line is milk is a complete food. Complete food means in milk we get a right amount of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, minerals, everything in a proportional amount. So milk is such a thing that is a complete food. So with this I end with the food we eat part 1 today. In the next video, be with me. I'll teach you the next headings, taking care of food and what is a balanced diet. I'll come to you to teach you a new topic, balanced diet. Thank you, and please like and subscribe my channel.